Hello my dear friends, now we are back to the mathematics class. Are you ready? No, I am not hearing you. Come on, louder. Are you ready? Yes, you should be ready. Yes. So today we are trying to talk about something very interesting. Very interesting in the sense we are gonna learn how to count using abacus. Do you know what is abacus? A, B, A, C, U, S, abacus. Repeat once more. A, B, A, C, U, S, abacus. Okay? Now, look to the board. Abacus. Do you know what is abacus? Abacus is a way to learn counting. And for that abacus, I will show you something again in this blackboard. Can you see that actually? How many lines can you see? There are 4 lines or 4 sticks. Look carefully. There is a first stick on the right side. First stick on the right side is called ones, or you could also say units. But in your textbook, it is written ones. So let's learn according to the textbook. On the right side, you will see the ones. And just closer to the ones, you have the next stick, which is called tens. Ones. Now the second one is tens. Now the third one is called hundreds. What? Hundreds. Okay? And on the fourth one, we have thousand. Thousand. You can also check to the spelling. O-N-E-S, ones. Tens. T-E-N-S, tens. Hundreds. It's a bigger word, right? H-U-N-D-R-E-D-S, hundreds. Hundreds. Yes, hundreds. Now the fourth one, thousand. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D-S. Thousands. So you have 4 sticks. 4 different sticks. Now we are trying to learn how are we trying to use this abacus to learn mathematics. Now you have all learned, studied numbers 1 to 9. Now this side, 1 to 9. You have all learned numbers 1 to 9. It's in the board written 1 to 9. 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you have 1 to 9. 1 to 9. Can you hear? 1 to 9. And if you add 1 to this 9, you will get 10. I hope you remember. If you add 1 plus 9, you will get 10. Before going to that, we need to use this 1 to 9 in the abacus actually. So we are trying to put some rings. Just imagine this is a small ring. This is a small ring actually. This we are going to put it there. A small ring. Okay? This we are going to put it there. If you put this ring there 9 times on the right side, on the right end one, which is called the ones. You will put, let's count from here to here. Okay? So, 1 ring, 2 ring, 3 ring, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See that? That on the right side, it is 9 rings in that sticks. You have put 9 rings inside that. And that is called ones. Ones. So all these 9, 0 to, not 0, 1 to 9 is in this ones. Are you clear?
My dear friends, now after adding 1 to 9, what did you get it? You get 10. That means when you try to insert this 10 in the abacus, it would be 1 and 0. So the first one stick would become 0. There would be no rings in that, and that 1 will be moved from ones to the tens. So you have 110, and you will have 1 ring in the tens place. Did you understand? I will repeat again. When we add 9 plus 1, you get 10. And how to put this 10 in the abacus table? It is 1, 0. That means there are no rings in the ones place. It's just 0. But on the tens place, you will have 1 ring. Okay? Just look carefully. 1 ring.
Like this. So it is a 2-digit number now. From 1 digit, now we are moving to 2-digit or 2-digit. From 1 digit, you are moving to 2-digit. From 1 digit, you are moving to 2-digit. And last time we again learned until how many numbers? 99. 99 is the highest or the largest 2-digit number. Largest 2-digit number is 99. 9 and 9. Largest 2-digit number is 99. See? 99. N-I-N-E 9. N-I-N-E 9. What is 99? Look to the board. 99. And this 99 is called the biggest 2-digit number. 2-digit number. Now coming back to abacus. Now coming back to abacus. Here, what do you have here? We already filled 9 here. On the tens, no, on the one side you have filled 9 circles. Now we are going to fill the tens with again 9 because 99. Before we added 1, which is called 10. Are you getting confused? I think you are getting confused a little bit. Let's take an example actually. Okay? And this 99, if we try to put it in the abacus, you will see again the rings. 9 rings in the ones place, again 9 rings in the tens place. It's 99, 2-digit number. 99. 9 rings in the ones place, 9 rings in the tens place. So it is 99. Now if you add 1 plus, that means adding 99 plus 1. 99 plus 1, you will get 100. And that 100, you will have 3 digits, 0, 0, 1. 3 digits. There you have ones, tens, hundreds. And here 99, when you plus add 1, you will get 100. And that 1 will go on the hundreds place. The same way before, when we learned 9 plus 1, you got 10. 9 plus 1, you got 10. And what did we do? 9s or the 1 to 9 in the ones place, and when you added 1, you got 10, and you put that 1 in the tens stick. Similarly, now when we are adding 99 plus 1, you get 100. And that one, that 100 and the 3 digit, in the 3 digit, 1 will move to the hundreds place. So ones, tens, hundreds. Again, the smallest 3 digit number is 100. Smallest 3 digit number is 100. Again, what is the largest, highest 3 digit number? That would be 9, 9, 9. 3 times 9, 999. 999. 999. That is the highest, largest 3 digit number. Okay, 3 nines. Here you don't have, you have just still 100. Now, if you wanted to add 900, that means 9 times 100, you will have to add 9 rings in the hundreds place. 9 rings. Now we already have 1 ring. Balance you have to add 8 more ring. So you will get 999. That is called 999. 999. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna recap it. That means I'm gonna repeat it once more. On the units or the ones place, you have 1 to 9. When you add 1, you will get 10. So that you will get 2 digit number. There you will say 10 is the smallest 2 digit number. So here 1 and 0, you will add 1 on the tens place. So you get 10. Now the largest 2 digit number is 99. 9 and 9. And how do you use it in the abacus table? You already have 1 there in the 10. You will add 8 more, you will get 9 rings there. That shows 99. Again, when you add plus 99 plus 1, what will you get? 99 plus 1, 100. So that 1, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. That means 3 places. 99, when you add plus 1, you will get 100. So, you have 2 9s and 1 moves to the hundreds place. In that, again we say 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. Smallest 3-digit number is 100. Now, the largest 3-digit number is 999, 999, 999. How would you put it? With that hundreds place, you have 1. You will add 8 more rings. You will get 8 more rings. You will get 9. So 999, 999. This is enough for now. And now we will move to exercise. How can we write these things? How can we write it down? You need to have your textbooks in your hand actually. Okay, now let's move to the activity. Look to your textbook. Now you are going to use a abacus table to do the activity. Abacus table. Let's imagine, look to the board. I'm just trying to put one example. In ones place, how many rings do you have? In ones place, how many rings do you have? Maybe I can color it in a different way. How many rings do you have? 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 rings in the ones place. So you will write 3 down. Now how many rings in the tens place? How many rings in the tens place? No, it's not audible. You need to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5. Ones place you have 3. Now in the tens place you have 5 rings. So at the bottom you write 5. So again in the hundreds place, how many? 1. Yes, it's just 1. So 1, 5, 3. 1, 5, 3. Hope you can see that. 1, 5, 3. How would you read it? How many hundreds are there in that hundreds? Just 1. So 100. 100. How many tens were there actually? How many tens did you count? Yes, 5. So how many tens are there? 5 tens are there. Okay, 5 tens. 5 into 10 is 50. 5 into 10 is 50. 150. Now in the ones place, how many rings? We already counted it. You forgot actually. It's 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's 3. 153. 153. This is how you learn to write the numbers, 3-digit numbers. Okay, this is how you learn to write 3-digit numbers. 100, in hundreds place you have just 1 ring, so 100. In tens place you have 5 tens because you have 5 rings. Okay, so 5 times 10 is called 50. So 153. Okay, 153. Similarly, you can do 1 more or 2 more or 3 more. You need to fill in the blanks in your textbook. You really need to fill it in the textbook like this. It would be written. Okay, you need to fill that. We need to learn how to write the numbers in letters. We need to write the numbers. How will we write the numbers? From 0 to 9, it's very simple. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's very simple. Again also 10. It's very simple. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Like that we have learned a lot. Now the conflict is coming, or we need to think a little bit more in connection with the abacus. You see, on the right side you will see ones, then the stick comes with the tens, then the stick comes with the hundreds, and the fourth one comes with the 1000. We have 4 sticks: ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. We need to learn how would you write 100. Just an example. 100. How would you write that? Check to the abacus. Now the abacus is empty. 100. That means in hundreds stick we will put 1. 100. One ring we will put in the hundreds stick in the abacus. And on the other two, tens and ones, we put 0 because there is nothing. It's 1, 0, 0. So in the abacus, in the one stick, it would be just one ring, 100. We will write it as 100. Now let's try to add maybe 5 in the 10 sticks. 5 rings in the 10 sticks. 5 rings. And in the ones place, maybe you add 2 rings. So we will write, you will have in hundreds place 1 ring, in tens place you will have 5 ring, and in the ones place you have 2 rings. Repeat, in the hundreds stick you have 1 ring, in the tens stick you have 5 rings, in the ones stick you have 2 rings. So 1, 5, 2. How would you write? 100. In the hundreds abacus stick you have just 100. So 100. Now how many tens? 5 tens. So 5 into 10 is 50. 150. What is the last? 2. 152. 100. In the tens you have 5 rings. 5 into 10, 50. So 152. 152. Let's try to take one more example in that. Let's put 3 rings in the hundreds place. 3 rings in the hundreds place. In the tens place we will put 4 rings. 3 rings in the hundreds place. 3 rings in the hundreds place. 4 rings in the tens place. And 2 rings in the ones place. We will see 300. 300. There are 3 rings in the hundred stick. 300. Then 40. 340 and 2. 342. 3 hundreds means 3 rings in the abacus hundreds, 4 rings in the tens, 340, and 2 rings in the ones, 42. 342. We got 2 examples. The rest you will have to do it from the exercise, your book which is in your hand. Okay?